A simple but amazing soy-free canned teriyaki sauce to keep on the shelf. This homemade sauce adds a great flavor to Japanese-style dishes. Marinate meat or add to a quick stir-fry. It is so good in fried rice or as a marinade for salmon or chicken. This sauce will not disappoint. It can also be used as a sauce for dumplings or shrimp. Here are all the ingredients for cooking. To prepare, bring all the teriyaki sauce ingredients except Therm Flo to a boil in a 3-quart saucepan. Coconut liquid aminos, 2 cups, light brown sugar, 2 cups, freshly grated ginger, 1½ tablespoon, white distilled vinegar, 1 cup, bottled lemon juice, 2 tablespoons. Reserve 1/4 cup of the sauce to thicken later. Continue cooking the remaining sauce for 20 minutes over low heat, partially covered. Prepare the jars for canning, sterilize the jars, and prepare all the lids and rings. I like to wash my jars under very hot tap water, or you can wash them in the dishwasher on a very hot cycle. To thicken the teriyaki sauce, during the last few minutes, combine the reserved sauce and Therm Flo. Whisk it into the boiling sauce and bring it back to the boil, then remove from the heat. Using a funnel, pour the mixture into each jar, leaving 1/4 inch of headspace. Wipe the rims with a wet cloth to remove any remaining sauce, then wipe with a dry towel. This promotes a good seal. Put on the rings and shut the jars finger tight. Place the jars in a large enough pot. Cover them with 2 inches of hot tap water and bring the pot to a boil. When the water boils, set the timer for 20 minutes and cook over medium heat, covered. When finished, turn off the heat and place the jars on a table lined with a kitchen towel. Twist and close the lids that may have come loose during the water bath. To seal, let the jars cool overnight or for at least 12 hours without touching. You should hear a pop as the lids are sucked in and closed. I check them the next morning by pressing on the center to see if the lids have been properly sealed. They should not click. For easy storage, mark the jars with a marker and date them. Store in a cool, dark place until ready to use. This recipe is stable if properly canned. Смачного!